Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I'm back and I'm super excited for today's video because I will be recreating Love Island outfits. So let's get started. I am so happy that for the first time ever Love Island has partnered with eBay, which means they're wearing pre-loved items and they gave out the fast fashion websites like the previous years. And I think this is such an important step because they're such big influencers. Like right now and even after the show, everyone just buys what they have, what they wear. I'm really happy because this is like a step forward and I hope they continue this tradition. So online on eBay you can actually find their style edit and what's everyone loving and wearing at the moment. So I think this is pretty cool. And today I gathered a couple of outfits that I would wear actually outside because let's be honest, some of them are really outrageous, like this one. But yes, I've got a couple of outfits from ASOS and a couple from everything5pounds.com. Everything will be linked down in the description box below. So let's get started. So the first outfit that I've got is this absolutely stunning blue dress, which was worn by Gemma Owen in the episode number 22. They had like a blue theme party and this dress is absolutely beautiful. I love that fact that it has like straps and a very silky satiny feeling. I think it's perfect for going out. I must say the hairstyle is actually my favorite and the most outfits from this video are her outfits, so I hope that's alright. But I feel like she has one of the very subtle slash like cool styles. I mean, I could see myself wearing these things outside while some of them like really not my cup of tea. But yeah, I think let's try it on and see how it fits me. So this is the first dress and I must say I love it. Like it's so stunning. It has adjustable straps here on the side. Yeah, I didn't bother to adjust them, but I think it's pretty gorgeous. It has this cowl neck right here and as well it has a zip on the back. This dress was only 16 quid and it's from ASOS and I think it's just a perfect summer night out dress because it's revealing, but yet it has the element of just the right amount of skin in my opinion. Yeah, this is definitely a winner for me and it's a big thumbs up from me. The next item that I have is this gorgeous cream top which was worn by Paige in the episode number 7. This is from a brand called Odos or something and I got it again from ASOS. It was only 12 quid and I think it's pretty stunning. I love these metallic bits right here. In my opinion it seems a little bit small because I don't know how I'm gonna fit in this top, but I'll do my best. Paige is one of my favorites as well and I really love her style. Like all of her outfits are like so spot on and this is actually the exact thing that she wore on the Love Island and I must tell you, the previous dress and then this top are the exact things that they wore there, but some of the outfits I'm gonna show you later are actually dupes because some of them were like really expensive and some of them were just like out of stock. So let's try this bad boy on and see how it's gonna fit me. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the first fail of the season. Look at this freaking top. It's so tiny, it's squeezing my boobs so bad that I have either to cover like this or blur it because it's really bad. It's so freaking tiny. I mean, it's super gorgeous, but it's so small. ASOS, what is this? I am not happy with this top. It definitely goes back. It's super gorgeous. It's like crop top, it's cream, it has this metallic bits here on the side, but like it's squeezing you so bad that if you're gonna eat anything or like drink anything, you're gonna be out of breath. Like that's the last thing you want to experience when you go out, right? Yeah, as I mentioned, this top is the exact dupe of this one that Paige has worn in one of the episodes. I think it fits really well her, but I'm not sure what size she wore because she has nice boobs, let's be honest, and I don't know how this top fitted her so well, but for me clearly it's a no. It's squeezing too much and I just feel very uncomfortable and that's not something you want to feel, right? So the next outfit that I've got is a gorgeous dress which was worn by Gemma, no surprise, and is this snake print dress which was only 5.75 quid. It's one of those dresses that actually went there out by myself and trying to find a dupe, and I think I did a pretty good job. She wore this dress I think in the episode number 19 and there was a recoupling and I think she looked absolutely sensational. And I found as well this dress from everything5pounds.com, which we know they kind of restock fashion and like pieces that's either out of season or they have too much stock and stuff like that. So I feel like I did my bit of like sustainable fashion in this case, so I'm pretty proud of me, if I might say so. Okay guys, how freaking awesome this dress looks like. I think it's an absolute stunning dupe. It was only $5.75. It fits so well. It has like little ruched details over the tummy, which is pretty cool. And the cherry on the cake is of course the split, which makes it even better. I think Gemma's dress was really gorgeous, but I think I like mine even more. I mean, you can judge by yourself here and see which dress you like more. But I think this dress is a big winner. I'm gonna give you a big thumbs up, feels, and it looks absolutely stunning. Like, I'm so impressed. The next outfit that I've got is a pink bubblegum dress, and this gorgeous dress was worn by no other than Ekin-su in the episode number 5, if I remember well. By the way, Ekin-su is one of my favorites. I think she's such a fun character, and she's actually the salt and the pepper of the show. Her with Davide, I can have them on and on my screen, and I'm on my screen on my screen, and I will never get bored because their chemistry is unbeatable and they are so much fun together. And I think this dress is absolutely beautiful. It's all the way ruched here. It has like adjustable straps again, which is a big plus, and it has padded things right here in the front, like on the boobies area, and I think that's pretty cool because I hope I will be able to wear this dress without any bras, because in this heat, wearing a bra is a killer. Like, seriously. Alrighty, I feel like this dress is what are Barbie's dreams made of. I think it's so freaking cute, very pinky, very girly. It has this ruched thing right here, but I think for a $5, this dress is an absolute winner. It has structure and it gives them a nice shape. I think the only minus is the fact that it's made of polyester, and that's the worst thing to wear in the summertime. But like, how friggin' similar is to this dress. When I saw it, I'm like, hell yes, this is what I want. And I think Ekin-su's style is pretty good. I think she has good taste, like all the dresses she wore were quite nice. And the last but certainly not least is again an outfit by Gemma. Is this stunning orange dress, which is a dupe for the original, which by the way is sold out already, and that one was like 26 quid. While this one from ASOS is the most expensive dress from all of them, and it was 46 quid. That's a hell of a money for one dress, but if you ask me, this dress is absolutely beautiful. I love the bright orange thing. I love the little sleeve here, like on the front. I think Gemma wore this dress in the episode number 11, and I remember it really well because I think they had like a clash or something. I don't remember exactly. Now we're on the episode number 40, so it's been a while since she wore this dress, but I'm very excited to try it. And I'm actually amazed by the fact that the exact thing itself she wore was cheaper than the dupe at ASOS, but it is what it is. And this is in the size 8, and let's try it on and see how the last dress will fit me. I really wanted to like this dress, but I don't even know from where to start. The sleeves are an absolute fail, like they're too long, and I don't know how on earth would I wear them because you can't pull them up. That's their model. They're very like, what the hell is this? You can't wear this dress with a bra because the cleavage is quite there, like in your face. This dress has as well like a little slit right here. I'm not sure you can see it. I thought you can wear it like this, but no, that's just a big no. It has zip on the back side. I mean, maybe you can see the model itself, like not a big fan of it. I mean, don't get me wrong, on Gemma it looked absolutely sensational. Like, you can see she rocked this dress so well. I mean, not this dress, but like the exact thing she wore was perfect. While on me it's just like, I don't know, I just don't like it. It's not flattering, it's very uncomfy, and yeah, it's just a big no from me. But anyway, which outfit has been your favorite? Is it Gemma's? Is it Ekin-su's? I know that I've been copying more of Gemma's outfits, but that's because her style is literally my favorite and she wore the things that I see myself wearing out, while some of them, let's say like Danika's style, is not really my cup of tea, and Tasha's is just maybe a little bit much, especially this green dress. But I think they're all pretty cool. Kudos to them for wearing these outfits because they're very revealing. And yeah, do let me know which one of these outfits that I found and I wore is your favorite. Do let me know. And yeah, who do you think is gonna win this year's Love Island? I know I didn't say before, but Love Island is a big thing in the UK and we're watching every year. And yeah, I just did this video because I love their fashion and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did filming it, even though it's like bloody hot. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe to see more of my future videos, and yeah, there's a hell of a videos coming out, so stay tuned, and until next time, mwah, bye!